Hello, this is Ivan from BSCS 1A. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my project in linear algebra, a 3D cuboid graphic transformation program created using Python with NumPy and Pygame. I'll be showing the interface, how the program works, and how the cuboid changes with each transformation, and a short explanation of the math behind everything. This is the main window of the program. On the left side is the cuboid, and on the top right are the instructions for all the controls. We start in an isometric view, which basically tilts it slightly along the x, y, and z axis, so we can get a better 3D view of the object. The cuboid is created using 8 corner points in 3D space. Each point has 4 values, x, y, z, and an extra 1. The extra one is used for 4x4 transformation matrices, which is standard for 3D graphics. Let's start with translation. Pressing D moves the cuboid to the right. A moves it to the left. W moves it up. S moves it down. Q moves it forward. And E moves it backward. The math behind this is it uses a translation matrix. The matrix adds values to the current x, y, and z coordinates of every point. Next is rotation. Pressing T rotates around the x-axis. F rotates around the y-axis. And R rotates around the z-axis. These rotations are possible because of the use of cosine and sine inside the values of the rotation matrices. And lastly, scaling. The L and J key increases and decreases the x scale. I and K key for the y scale. And U and O key for the z scale. This is done with scaling matrix, where the scaling values multiply the coordinates of each point. All the transformations can be combined together. This is done using a matrix that stores the combined effects of translation, rotation, and scaling. Whenever a key is pressed, this matrix is updated. In each frame, the cuboid's points are multiplied by this matrix. The order in which transformation is applied first in this program is rotation, then translation, then scaling. This transformation order is important to avoid unexpected object movements. Now, let us try combining all transformations. And finally, pressing space resets all value back to the default position, rotation, and scale. The program uses 3D transformation concepts such as translation, rotation, scaling, and projection through matrix operations. That concludes the demonstration of my 3D cuboid transformation program project. Thank you for watching.